Thanks, Nikki Arjun, for your time today. Nikki, how does NDC advance Flight Center's strategic objectives? And furthermore, what value can NDC help to deliver to travelers?
So Flight Center's strategic priorities are really aligned with NDC because it's a key objective for us to make sure that we can get all of the relevant content to our customers that they need. And NDC is probably the best way for us to do that. So NDC is newer technology, and so it enables us to be able to offer content that's relevant to the customer in a way that they choose to book, be that online or offline, a mobile device, it really doesn't matter.
Arjun, what about for United?
NDC standardization also allows for Sabre to connect with airlines in a consistent manner, as opposed to having 100 or so direct connect, which sounds really, really painful. So we see it as a way to remove friction of doing business with United. We also have new products and services within NDC. It helps us modernize our offering and provide services that we weren't able to otherwise. A great example of this is our dynamic bundle fares, which is a combination of an air and ancillary component that a customer can buy in one click, and our continuous pricing.
Thanks, Arjun. And again, thanks, Nikki. Earlier this year, we worked with both United and Flight Center to become NDC Level 4 certified as an aggregator. I'd appreciate hearing from both of you about your experiences partnering with Sabre.
So Sabre's been a tremendous partner for us, and we really do value the relationship. Sabre's also put together an excellent team to ensure the workflow is efficient and built to have minimal friction. We also like that NDC is built directly into Sabre Red 360. That makes it bookable and sellable via the normal commands that agents are already familiar with. We hope that this makes the transition minimal and we can start having NDC content booked directly. And so far, we've really found this to be the case.
Thanks, Arjun. So switching gears to reaching scale, Nikki, what are your thoughts on standardization?
So standardization from our perspective is not a nice to have, it's an absolute imperative. And that is one of the reasons that we are choosing to work with an aggregator in NDC rather than doing direct connects to airlines ourselves. Because whereas the airlines are not completely standard, working with someone like Sabre gives us the ability to still offer a standard solution to our customers and our consultants. I really am a big advocate of standardization in the industry. I'm happy for the airlines to differentiate their content or their prices as much as they want, but as long as literally almost the buttons that I have to press for every airline appear in the same order to get the same service and the same feature, that's exactly what I need, because that's what delivers scale. So it's very, very important for standardization to continue.
Great. Thanks again for joining me today.